Stop scrolling. Meet the tiny bird that looks like it was designed by a painter with a thing for red velvet, the red-billed Firefinch. And trust me, this little guy has more drama and romance than a Netflix series. That bright crimson male you're seeing? He's basically the show-off of the Savannah, glowing red from head to tail with that signature coral bill. Scientists say the redder he is, the more attractive he becomes. Imagine going on dates where your color saturation determines your success. And this close-up is where his personality shines. Firefinches are soft-spoken birds, whisper-singing from the bushes. But don't let that calm vibe fool you. These little seed-eaters are territorial, bold, and will happily defend a feeder like it's prime real estate. Now here's the queen, the female. Not as flashy, but she's the brains of the operation. Warm brown, subtle red wash on the belly, and eyes sharp enough to judge a male in 0.2 seconds. She picks her mate based on his plumage and his confidence. So yeah, the pressure is real. If tiny, fiery birds with big personalities are your thing, hit that follow button for more birds that deserve their own documentary. And drop a comment. Which Firefinch stole your heart today? The show-off male or the queen of subtle elegance? More Kenyan birds coming up. Don't blink.